Hey friends, welcome to another one of these. I have been cleaning, setting some stuff up a little bit. I have the drum set actually set up. Now, if I was only about 20 pounds lighter, it wouldn't be such a struggle to get behind it. And let me tell you something, it has been a long time since I've done any kind of, like drumming. And when I got it set up the other night, I thought I'm going to come out and do an hour. I'll do an hour. So I set a timer on my phone for an hour and 5 minutes because there's gaps in the songs, and I set some playlists up, and I just play till the timer goes off. And my God, I'm out of shape. This is rough, man. Excuse me. But we've done some things. Nothing major, but we've done some things. You may notice there's a guitar over there when they didn't used to be there. Because I've done some things. I cleaned up over there. You probably tell. Um, Under that guitar stand and that stool, I have a DDR pad. Because I'm trying to, be a little more active. And DDR is fun. Something you probably don't know about your old pal Jason. Oh, God. This would have been 20 years ago. I was dating a raver girl. Beads, glow sticks, pacifiers, the works. And she introduced me to DDR, and I had a lot of fun. She really lorded it over that she was better at it than me, which was fine. And then one day we played together, and I was keeping up, and she stopped and stood in front of me in the TV because I was keeping up, and then we never played again after that. Anyway, it's fine. I think she's dead now. It doesn't matter. The desk is a little messy, but I took the cabinet that was there and they're in the bathroom stacked on top of each other because I wanted to do something a little different with that and a little different with this. So this is basically another one of these shelves. This down here isn't great, but rarely have I had to get into the top of that. Most all the tools I ever use are up there. And I can still get to the... Oh, I can't because I think this... Oh, it's got to be open, doesn't it? Damn. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll have to figure that out. Anyway. Never tried to open it with the lid closed. Silly me. Anyway, that's fine. Not a big deal. But as you see, that just fits. This fits fine. And I can still get to anything and everything. Stashed some stuff down there. Moved the coffee stuff over here. Got the fridge up here so I can actually use it. That Coors. Oh, does this have a date on it? September 24. It's still fine, but, I need to get that used up. And then I got some St. Patrick's Day inspired. Anyway, there's a fourth tier for this, and it's right there, and I've just got some boxes set on it. Just trying to make this a little more accessible. My original plan was I was going to take this desk and turn it and put it here, but it would stick out to like here, and I didn't want to deal with that, so we just left it and worked around this. Like I said, got the drum set up. Haven't really done much else. kind of, well, you saw those guitar videos probably. There's the Ibanez, and there's the Yamaha. And I need to, excuse me, I need to go to bed, apparently. I need to start scratching my head on this Gordon Lightfoot album I want to do. And finish the Warren Zevon one I want to do. But we'll see. We'll see. Desk is kind of a mess. That's fine. It's okay. Oh, check this out. This is a 3D printed controller holder thingy. It's not great with the cable on it, but it works. Works okay. And I really should have scooted it over and down a little bit, but it's all right there. Here's my Ulanzi. It's a little slow, but it works.
Wow, please, do it again.
I need a good long look at my Pepsi. Is that something you want? What's the Final Fantasy IV ones for, Jason? That's weird. That's one of the saddest pieces of music in all the video games, right there. I love it, though. I love it. Anyway, didn't want you to think I haven't been doing anything out here. I have, just not a lot. Just not a lot. I did put a little pieces of carpet right in front of the door. I've been meaning to do that for a while, so when I was cleaning up crap over there, I just went ahead and did it. Yeah, that's what I got, man. Jesus, I am sorry. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Y'all have a good day. Me again. We're going to work on a little additional part of this project. This is the cable, comes out of the back of the mic pedal and goes into the mixer this way. I'm going to replace it with this so it can go this way. So we're going to undo that, take out the connections, and then we'll put that together. I mean, I could also just cut this and make it a shorter piece, but I don't particularly want to do that. But this has been used a few times before, and it's got some old solder on it, so we're going to clean that up. So we'll get a little bit of our... That's the new wick. Flashing. Flashing is powering up. Flashing is powering down. I don't use this very often. This is the old wick, so we'll use that first. I think I've got a smaller thing of solder somewhere. The bathroom is still work in progress. I did get a box around that plumbing, though. That's what the fridge used to sit on. Of course. Yep. I think there's some in here. I don't want to use a mostly new one if I've got a mostly old one. You know what I'm saying? There's some. And there's some. See, that's much better. I can stay down there too. We got room. Don't need that. Don't even really need the wick, but I would rather use it. So this is going to be a two-hand operation, so I'm going to have to turn the phone off, but when we come back, this guy will be on this end of this cable. That was a little better. What we want to make sure we do, though... No, that's not a great shot. Is we want to make sure we match these. So blue on the bottom, white on the right, and the numbers. Blue is 3, white is 2. This one could also probably use a little bit of a cleanup. Got some stuff just for that. We'll come back, this will all be put back together. Iron's hot too. Perfect. Ignore the cable mess and ignore that. It's cranked pretty high. So we're running through the computer speakers right now. This is the thing without anything. No tone, no reverbs, no nothing. It's just straight the thing, right? Here's the thing with the tone thing turned on, and no tone thing, tone thing, no tone thing, tone thing, no tone thing, tone thing. Perfect, right? And now with the reverb and a little bit of delay. Echo, I guess. And I like that. I think that's okay. It's just very noisy because I had to crank everything up so loud. The new TC Helicon doesn't have a gain built into it like the old ones did. So I can't turn the mic up here before it goes in here, so I've got to turn this up more. And it'll be different when I move everything over to the powered speaker. It'll be better that way. Another issue, I guess I don't need to talk through there. A lot of the noise is also how I've got that set up. This is the adapter I'm using for the Helicon, and it's got like a 10-foot cable. And I need it to go, 18 inches. So I'll be on the lookout for something better there. But this is the idea. Guitar's there. Mic's there. This will get tucked in under all of this stuff. And then we're golden. That was the Pro Deep, the old mic. Let me see if I can set you down. And we'll switch over to the new mic. And plug the noisy stuff back in. Again, about 12 o'clock. Check, test, 1, 2. check, test 1, 2. It's so noisy. It's so noisy. This is the new mic. This is the SE. It's a lot brighter. It doesn't have a lot of the same body to it. But I think it's more, I don't know, honest. Is that a weird word to use for a microphone? I don't know which one I like better. So we'll see. This one, much better with the handling noise, but I don't, unless I'm bumping the mic stand, you know. I don't make a whole lot of noise anyway. But yeah, that's it. I will clean this cable mess up and put everything away, and it'll be fine.